Today we're going to talk about the E30 blah, 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 blah. Today we're going to talk about the E30 Recaro seat mounts that we've had a lot of requests for on the Garagistic website. So we listened, and here it is. Basically what this will allow is you to bolt up Recaro bottom mount seats on an E30 stock seat rail. So you still get all the factory adjustment of your E30 seat, but you get to mount your Recaros, and it's fully reversible. That's what's good. And basically, the two holes in the bottom would be utilized in your E30 seat rails, and the top would fit Recaro bottom mount seats. So just want to give you guys a heads up on a really good upcoming product. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to get it done for you guys. Thank you.